Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start the topic pharmacopoeias. So what is pharmacopoeia? That pharmacopoeia term derived from Greek word that is pharmakon, and pharmakon means drug and pure means to make. कि हम कैसे मेडिसिन को प्रिपेयर करते हैं उसका पूरा एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर जो आता है वो फार्माकोपियाज में आता है और फिर उसके बारे में पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन एक कंपाइल इंफॉर्मेशन कंसिस्ट करता है फार्माकोपिया. इट इज अ लीगल एंड ऑफिशियल बुक issued by recognized authorities, usually appointed by the government of each country. It comprises list of pharmaceutical substances, formulae, along with their description and standards. There are the few list of pharmacopoeias, जैसे कि अर्जेंटीना, ऑस्ट्रेलियन फार्माकोपिया, Belgian, Brazilian, British, Chinese, Egyptian, European, French, German, Hungarian, Indian, International, Italian, Japanese, Czechoslovakia, Mexican, Netherlands, Nordic, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Turkish, and United States. There are different list of pharmacopoeias जिसमें mainly हम follow करते हैं British, European, Indian, International and US pharmacopoeias. Then अब इस one by one हम discuss कर रहे हैं. तो first Indian pharmacopoeia. First official Indian pharmacopoeia of India prepared in 1868, which was edited by Edward John Warning. In the pre-independence days, the British pharmacopoeia was used in India. Then the colonial addendum of BP in 1898 was published in 1900, appeared as Government of India edition in 1901. Then in 1946, Government of India issued one list known as Indian Pharmacopoeia List under the chairmanship of Colonel R.N. Chopra along with the 9 members, which was prepared the Indian Pharmacopoeia List. Then it was prepared by Department of Health, Government of India, Delhi in 1946. Then in 1948, Government of India appointed an Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee for preparing Pharmacopoeia of India. And the tenure of this committee was 5 years. That means कि 5 years के बाद ये committee फिर renew हो जाती है. Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh published first edition of IP in 1955. Then it is written in English and official titles of monograph given in Latins. It covers 986 monographs and supplement of to this edition was published in 1960. Then second edition of IP was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. Mukherjee. Then official title of monographs given in English. Doses were expressed in metric system, and for tablets and injections, usual strength have been given. Then formulation of drugs were given immediately after the monograph of the drug. And 274 monographs from IP 55. IP 55 means ki that IP published in 1955, and their supplements were deleted. Then supplements were deleted. Then 93 new monographs were added. Supplement to this edition was published in 1975. यानी कि 19 जो IP 1955 था उसके बाद जो हमारा supplement आया वो आया था 1975 में. Then 126 new monographs have been included and 250 monographs have been amended. Changes किए गए. Cholera vaccine has been deleted. Then Indian Pharmacopoeia third edition was published in 1985 with 2 volumes and 9 appendices. इसमें 261 new monographs have been added, 450 monographs were deleted. Addendum of first IP was published in 1989, where were 46 new monographs added and 126 amended. Amended means या तो deleted हो रहा है, amended में उसमें कुछ changes किए जा रहे हैं. Then addendum second was published in 1991, where 62 new monographs added and 110 amended. Fourth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1996 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. It has been made effective from 1st December 1966. It covered 1149 monographs and 123 appendices. It includes 294 new monographs and 110 monographs have been deleted. Then addendum 1 has been made effective from 31st December 2000, where 42 monograph have been added, and addendum second जो है has been made effective from 30th June 2003, where 19 new monographs have been added, and the veterinary supplement to Indian Pharmacopoeia 1996 contained 208 monographs and 4 appendices. Then first edition of IP was published in fifth edition of IP was published in 2007, and addendum to this edition was published in 2008. Then IP 2007 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general notices and general chapters. Volume 2 and 3 contains general monographs on drug substance, dosage forms, and pharmaceutical aids. Then Indian Pharmacopoeia next आया 2010 में, that is 6th edition. The 6th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, that is IPC Ghaziabad, in accordance to with this plan, and completed through the untiring efforts of the members, secretariat and laboratory over a period of about 2 years. And supersedes the 2007 edition, but any monograph of the earlier edition does not figure in this edition. This edition would be effective from 1st September 2010, and ये वॉल्यूम इस जो 2010 फार्माकोपिया था इसके भी 3 वॉल्यूम आए थे, वॉल्यूम 1, वॉल्यूम 2 and वॉल्यूम 3. Then वॉल्यूम 1 contain same notices, preface and the structure of IPC, acknowledgements, introduction and general chapters. And volume 2 contains the general notices, general monographs on dosage forms and monographs of drug substance, और alphabetically हम देखें तो A to M जो है volume 2 में थे. Then N to Z में N to Z जो volume 3 that contains N to Z monographs, followed by monographs. इसके बाद जो next chapters हैं that followed vaccines, immunoseras for human use, herbs, herbal products, blood and blood related products, biotechnology products and veterinary products जो है वो इसके बाद headings में रखा जाता था. Then the scope of pharmacopoeia has been extended to include product of biotechnology, indigenous herbs and herbal products, veterinary vaccines and additional antiviral drugs and formulation that inclusive of commonly used fixed dose combinations. और इसका जो भी न्यू ड्रग्स एज पर द नेशनल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो ड्रग्स आते थे वो भी इसमें से ओमिट और ऐड किए गए. देन सम लाइपोसोमल चैप्टर्स इसमें ऐड किए गए, वैक्सीन्स ऐड की गई इसमें, और एनएमआर के कुछ अपेंडिसेस जो है वो इसमें इंक्लूड किए गए. फिर माइक्रोबियल कंटामिनेशन से रिलेटेड जो चीजें हैं वो इसमें ऐड की गई. देन 7th एडिशन ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया was published in 2014, and ये भी जो पब्लिश हुआ था on the behalf of Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. That pharmacopoeia contains 2550 monographs and 577 are new monographs added. Then जो फर्स्ट फार्माकोपिया है वो मैं अभी हम डिस्कस किया कि 1944 में अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ कर्नल आर.एन. चोपड़ा के चेयरमैनशिप में जो हमारी लिस्ट शुरू हुई थी और 1946 में पब्लिश हुई थी. देन दीज आर द एडिशंस एंड ईयर्स ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. फर्स्ट एडिशन टू 8th एडिशन एंड 9th एडिशन जो आया है वो भी यहाँ पे जो हमारा 8th एडिशन है वो 2018 में आया. एडेंडम जो है हमारा 2019 में उसका आया है. तो दीज आर द पिक्चर्स ऑफ फार्माकोपिया. तो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी डिस्कस अबाउट द ब्रिटिश फार्माकोपिया.